One such device is a winch that could be installed on the front side of your vehicle and can turn out to be a lifesaver in many instances. A winch is a simple yet powerful device where heavy-duty cables are used to pull bulky objects. There are many products available to choose best off-road winches, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. ZESUPER 12-volt electric truck winch. If you're looking for the best electric winch for your truck, it's really hard to top the ZESUPER 12V electric truck winch. It's an outstanding of price and performance, and it's this combination that vaults it to the top of the list. Add in that it has a 13,000-pound maximum pulling capacity, and it's extremely easy to install and use, and there's not much to not like with this winch. Like all of the winches on our list, it's completely waterproof, so you don't have to worry about bogging it down if you get extremely stuck somewhere. But while this is the top electric winch for a truck on our list for a reason, that doesn't mean it's perfect. Number 2. WAR 92820 Zeon Platinum. If you're not worried about how much your new truck winch is going to cost and simply want one that you don't have to worry about year after year, take a look at the WAR 92820 Zeon Platinum electric truck winch. While it's certainly on the more expensive side of things, costing almost 7 times as much as some of our lower-priced options, it's also a winch that you put on your truck and shouldn't have to replace. The only thing you should ever need to replace with this winch is the cable, and even then, only years down the road. Number 3. Champion Winch Kit. While the Champion Winch Kit didn't crack our top 3, that doesn't mean it's not a great winch that's worth checking out. It comes with a 2-year warranty, which is better than what most winches in this price range come with, and this is a winch that's an outstanding mix of price and performance. It also comes with an 85-foot winch cable, which is on the longer side of things. It's extremely easy to set up and use for your truck, although it is on the larger side of things. Not only are the physical dimensions a bit bigger, which can be a problem for low-profile trucks, but it's also extremely heavy. Number 4. Champion Remote Control Winch. Champion Power Equipment is one of the highest rated brands present on our list today. It is featuring one of the most powerful winches suitable for heavy applications. The overall winching experience is made very simple with this device, as it comes with a dedicated handheld remote control that allows you to connect the device very quickly. The pulling cable on the Champion Truck SUV Winch Kit with remote control is 85 feet long and made up of galvanized Super Duty aircraft material for safe and smooth performance. Champion Power Equipment is offering a 2-year-long warranty period on this device. Number 5. Smittybilt Winch. Smittybilt is also a renowned name that has been included on our list today. If you require a heavy-duty option, Smittybilt will be a great choice. The winch is powered by a 6.6 HP amphibious motor that is highly resistant to water damage. The motor features a 3-stage planetary gear system and dual solenoid mounting option, so that you can easily mount the device on any vehicle. Smittybilt is providing a lifetime warranty period on the mechanical parts of the winch. This is possible because of the 500 amp solenoid present on the device. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products.